Are you a student looking for ways to improve your productivity and learning? Look no further. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 AI tools that can help you succeed in your academic journey. First up, we have Grammarly, an AI-powered writing assistant that can help you improve your writing skills by providing real-time feedback on grammar, spelling, and clarity. With Grammarly, you can be confident that your essays and papers are error-free. Next, we have Quizlet, an AI-powered study tool that can help you ace your exams. Quizlet allows you to create digital flashcards, quizzes, and games to help you memorize and understand key concepts in your courses. Moving on, we have Socratic, an AI-powered homework helper that can provide step-by-step explanations for a wide range of subjects, including math, science, and history. With Socratic, you can quickly get unstuck when working on challenging assignments. Another helpful tool is Google Scholar, an AI-powered search engine that can help you find scholarly articles and research papers for your academic projects. With Google Scholar, you can access reliable and credible sources for your research. Last but not least, we have Duolingo, an AI-powered language learning platform that can help you master a new language with personalized lesson plans and interactive exercises. Whether you're studying for a language class or just want to expand your language skills, Duolingo is a great tool to have in your toolbox. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can help you succeed as a student. Give them a try and see how they can improve your learning experience. Good luck.